All right, I'm going to recognize our seniors one by one. They're going to come down. As I pointed out as they marched in, they all have on some neat socks. And we asked them to do that because the ceremony is they're going to leave their instrument and they're going to leave their shoes where they're standing right now. And it's a symbol of them. There'll always be a Trojan. Once a Trojan, always a Trojan. They're leaving big shoes to fill, leaving a part of themselves behind as they go out. And we've charged them with remaining who they are. And that's what the individualness of their socks, never forgetting who they are as they're about to go out into a world that is going to... High school, there's a lot of pressure, but there's pressure always. Always pressure to conform, always pressure to do what your peers are doing. And the challenge is for them to remain who they are and not just do it because the crowd is doing it. And, we all get to learn how to live with that. And they're all about to be faced with that big time. So, Gabby Barnes. Come up and line it up on the track. All the way up and line it up on the track. Leave your shoes and your equipment where it's at. Wilfredo Bonilla Canales. Tori Branson.
Yes, Tori!
Ahmad Brewster. Maria Fujita Block. Carly Brown. Kayla Burke. Cadence Carr. Yamlet Cruz Leal. Ari Davis. Courtney Davis. Ian Haley. Cameron Harley. Sam Duncan. Jacob Hendricks. Haley Jones. Gray Langlow. Dana Ledbetter. Rogelio Lopez Torres. Desiree Luke. Alyssa Morales. Sylvia Morales. Jackson Mullins. Caleb Parham. Atara Parker. Liam Price. Lucas Priest. Azia Prince. Yale Ramirez. Emma Harris. Oh. He did that on purpose. Emma Harris. Haley Rowell. Dylan Shields. Susie Velasquez. Jake Westbrook. Grant Whaley. Liam Wright. Eileen Yanni. And Michaela York. So now we get to play our battle hymn for our seniors one last time. Kylie Alexander, are you ready?
Play loud, play proud, do
just keep in mind all the things that we did. I know us directors, we were focused on playing the right notes, playing the right rhythms. It was never about the notes. It was never about the rhythms. It was never about staying in step. But it was about paying attention to the small details. It wasn't about doing perfect choreography. All of those things were just tools to help you realize that the small details matter. You guys have invested for 4 years in an activity that is really tough. It's grueling. We spend so many hours and we are tedious with our details. Continue that in your life. Do that in your term papers that you're having to write in college. You will stand out. Take the extra effort. You've learned to do that. You can't do it all at once. Little baby steps. We started 4 years ago. You guys marching across the floor like this. Even the beginning of this year, we're having to brush off some cobwebs. Guys, you sound magnificent. Don't forget the growth that you've got here. When you walk into college, you're going to feel again that you're that freshman, and you're going to maybe feel a little insecure. I'll never forget leaving as a drum major and then entering college as the new person. Don't forget who you are, because you're still that person. You need to continue with that courage and with that bravery. Continue being who you're going to be. Sorry. So, it's never easy because every year the class is special. But when you look over and see your daughter, I'm gonna let Mr. Nelson do this. So senior parents, I finally get it. All the senior parents, they've had their moments. I've given them their moment. I appreciate you allowing me to have mine. And I'm so proud, not just of these kids, the leadership they left, all these other students that are going to step in and fill those shoes next year. It's been an awesome year, and I look forward to many more. Come back and visit us. I'm proud of you guys. Shake it out! Thank you for joining us tonight. Love you so much.